Hello, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. This is my rooftop box in this short video. I am showing it to you guys because I haven't really talked about it since I purchased it. Now, I got this rooftop box. You guys, this is a $400 box. I purchased it for $80 on OfferUp several months ago. It's a brand new box. It was literally used once, but what happened was the woman who owned it tried to drive into her garage with the rooftop box on. So it had a small hole that was repaired with flex tape, and even through snow and rain, I've never had any leaks or any problems. So definitely keep your eye out on OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, and other buying and selling apps, because you can probably get one for a really decent price, as I have proven. So this is a sport rack, and it is 18 cubic feet. Look at how high it is in there. So I can fit so much stuff, and it's easy to see how big it is when I'm standing next to it. I mean, these are my feet, and this is how big the box is. I mean, it's absolutely massive. So I can fit all these little things in here with so much ease. So all of that will go into the rooftop box, but of course it was taken off my maroon van last night. As you can see, the roof rack is up on top of the roof. My other one is not. It's currently down, but I do have the built-in roof rack on this Caravan, just like I do my maroon Caravan. So later today, I'm going to have help putting the rooftop box on top of the van, and then I will be able to fill it up with all of my things and be ready. And then the next step after the rooftop box is to get an awning. So I'm looking for an awning. And then these are the brackets and things for the rooftop box. It's actually really easy to put on. You just need two people, and it's not even that heavy, but it's just big. So, and then it just closes simply like that. So I love this box. I'm such a huge fan of all the space that it gives me, and I am excited to put it on my new van tonight. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and be looking out for the finished product later on YouTube. Winston and I will see you on our next adventure.